Hello everyone. How to clear Vidmate data? Is your Vidmate acting up? Stuck on a never-ending loading screen? Or maybe your downloads keep failing? Clearing it is like hitting the reset button. Vidmate will run smoother, faster, and error-free. How to clear Vidmate data? Here are some steps for it. Method 1. Clear data from settings. Go to your phone settings, tap apps or manage apps depending on your phone. Find Vidmate and tap on it. Tap storage and cache. Hit clear data. This resets the app, so you might need to log in again. Here is a method 2. Uninstall and reinstall the Vidmate. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button, hit subscribe and share it.